Kasi nandito yung pamangkin ng asawa ko. So, kami na lang dalawa mag-video, kayong dalawa. Store ko.
Then we are two.
Where are you now?
In the theater.
So, ngayon nanood kami ng cinema. Ayan. Aya, Berry, you cannot see the... Ayan. So, may hindi na pwede mag-video. Wala ang camera dito sa loob. So, come here in my side. Just tell me what you want to buy, ha? Ang mukha ko dito sobrang haggard. So, umupo muna kami dito sa labas. Kasi wala pa sa kalahati yung aming movie. So, nilabas ko muna nainis na yung aking asawa ba. Ay, maya siyang ihi. Sabi ko, bata yan, natural lang yan. I will open. Ay. Ala, ang taba ko na. I'm so fat here. Look. I have seen. So, sa labas kami, bumili kami ng maiinom. Look at, maybe Nachukaka is going out, ha? The movie is almost finished ng dugo na talaga ang English ko nito eh. 2 days pa to dito sa bahay.
It's not.
Maybe it will come. Papa said.
Yeah. I see Papa.
Papa said the movie almost done.
I see Papa.
Really?
I think I see.
Itong bata na to. Ito yung labas ng Cinema City. Bagong bagong bukas.
Oh, that's not Papa. I thought that is Papa.
Oh, my papa is more than handsome that good. Ang ganda ko dito sa camera na to. So, ang ending, naghintay kami dito sa labas.
Tinagamo.
Hungry?
No. Stand up. Ah. How do you eat that?
Ito na.
Papa, dito ka. Ah.
Ang laki na ng tattoo eh. So, hinihintay na dito yung mga anak ko. Kasi nga ito pamangkin niya. Ang daming palusok. Ihi dito, ihi doon. So, ngayon, ihi siya. Pero hindi ka siya naihi. Gusto lang niya lumabas. Ihi, it means pee. Pee. Yeah, kahit sa Tagalog. So, the bicycle game, use. What do you call the water is ready to go? My English is already done, okay? Finish. I don't have English anymore. Especially when you are here. See, no more people now, okay? People is almost finished there. Nabusog na ako dito sa kakainom. They are closing. Ayun, we are only people. Ha? Nagsasarado na yung mall?
It's a mall.
Yeah, city mall. Like a small one. Talk to them. There are so many people watching there, okay?
Hi.
Yeah, talk to them. Hello.
Hello.
Can you say what I said?
Huh?
Follow what I said, okay? Maayong adlaw. Tell. Maayong.
Maayo.
Louder, louder. Maayong
Maayo.
adlaw.
Adlaw.
Philippines.
Philippines.
The Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. That's my place, Philippines. Yeah, and stay. Search in your school when your school said Philippines. I have auntie from Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Say like that, okay? When your teacher asking, you have relatives this place, Philippines? Ah, I have auntie from there. Papa's wife. Oh. Inalingaw-lingaw na akong bata kay nga no. Wala pa man gud akong asawa pa sila sa sulod.
How many aces do they have? I don't know.
So many easy, right?
No,
Hindi ko na magibulok yun. I think never book out. Tuwing ko, patag sa ilo ba? Looking outside? Come there? Which one? Which one? Here, there. For looking. I-tour ko muna to kasi para malingaw-lingaw ba. So dito kami sa Cinema City ngayon. Ayan, nilabas ko yung bata. Yes, the road is super, right?
yeah, yeah.
It's so colorful. Nalingaw siya dito sa kalsada kay ang kalsada manggod kay colorful kayo. Parang namatay ka dyan. What are you talking? Did you saw? Oh yeah, but we don't have namatay here. Ay, kaya. What is that? You mean words of cat? Words? English mo, words na rin. Smell pee here. What are you looking there? Grabe na yung taba ko, hindi ko na maintindihan. Which is normal lang po yan kasi pubuntis ako ha. Maghuyo na lang kayo pag lumabas itong anak ko. Mapayat po ako dati. Binuntis lang ako ng asawa ko kaya ako nagkaganto. I see Brothers, 1980.
Brothers.
Sip na. Yeah, sip. Where did you kakaso? Where na you tell that you have avatar here? Kataka lang ni Gyo yung avatar na ako noon, daangar ako nung ari. Indian joints. Let's come here in the why?
I see somewhere out there.
Mabuangan ng kanibataan eh. Pulis! Hala, grabe na dyan ang taba ko ba? Kita nyo naman, buntis po ako kaya po ako mataba ha. Ang ganda. Aha.
Keep your bag. Take your bag.
Ay! Kabangan yung mataan eh. It's not dirty, Haya? So, ayan yung background, di ba? Ang ganda. Inikot-ikot na namin to ditong labas ng city, Cinema City. Para lang dito
Cinema.
Yeah, Cinema City, look, read it. Para hindi siya maboring. So, inikot namin yung harap at likod nito. Kailang lakad na kami. So, tapos na yung movie. Pauwi na kami, no? Ayan. Napagalitan kami ni Papo kasi we are not finished the movie. We are in outside. Kaya nandun lang kami sa labas. Sayang kasi yung binayad. Kinuha pa yung sasakyan. Naghintay na lang kami dito. So see you na lang mamaya sa bahay kung makapag-video ako or kaya bukas. No, is that Papa? Kinukuha pa nila yung sasakyan. So ayun, pauwi na kami. Nag-enjoy naman yung mag-ama ko pero nagalit siya kasi nga.
I don't want.
I finish, okay? Uwi na kami. Hasin na lang mamaya doon sa bahay or bukas. Bye!